Science is moving faster than ever. From giant octopuses to cancer vaccines, here are the breakthroughs you need to know about right now. This Week in Science highlights two fascinating breakthroughs. Researchers have documented giant octopuses, expanding what we know about marine life. Meanwhile, a promising cancer vaccine shows potential to improve treatment options. These findings could change both biology and medicine in ways that will affect millions worldwide. In material science, arsenic trisulfide has been reshaped using simple light techniques. This method creates ultrafine optical patterns without expensive tools. The team even etched a nanoscale portrait, showing how accessible and precise this tech could become. This could revolutionize manufacturing and nano-optics industries. Geologists have discovered that beneath East Africa's Turkana Rift, the Earth's crust is thinning to a critical point. This necking process suggests the continent is gradually breaking apart. Understanding this helps us grasp tectonic activity and future geological risks in the region. Health experts are examining whether mouthwash can damage your heart. While the science is still evolving, this emerging research urges caution and further study on common habits that might affect cardiovascular health. Sleep specialists warn that a common habit may be making insomnia worse. Identifying and adjusting this behavior could help millions improve sleep quality and overall health. Tech researchers have discovered amazing new uses for leftover coffee grounds. This sustainable approach could reduce waste and create valuable products, showcasing innovation that benefits both the environment and consumers. These breakthroughs are more than headlines. They affect your health, environment, and future technology. Stay informed to make smarter choices and catch the next big scientific leap. Subscribe now for daily updates on the science shaping your world.